Hi, I'm Ben Majetic, CEO of ATT, and Kylosaurus Tough Tech. They want to extinct from my tech world anytime soon. Have you lost your keys or realized you haven't really experienced any inconvenience at all, and you just thought, wow, I wish there was something better? Well, now there is. I have a life-changing drone for you. Dan, Drone Assistant Nifty. The Nifty as in he's nifty to use. This drone is like your personal flying butler with a rocket booster for a butt. Advantage 1, he's convenient. He flies around with you everywhere, so you really don't need to take a controller and just control him around. Although, it would be cool like a video game. Not happening. Advantage 2, he's nice and he's smart. He's really like a flying Google, and he has a recognition mode, like say you have a bad day, you come home from school, he'll automatically comfort you. Advantage 3, he has everything. Solar powered phone charger. He's a flying internet box, so like say you run out of internet when you're on Google, no problem, that's there. And how to get one? My shops are about as abundant as McDonald's. They are everywhere. So go to www.att.com to put in your purchase today. And they'll throw in a free Dan watch if you call within the next 5 minutes.